what's going on? Welcome back. It's been a long time since I didn't do a vlog with you guys. I hope you guys are enjoying our Players World episodes and all the content that we're bringing you through there. So right now I'm going to give you guys a quick vlog. I think today we're on our way to Wheel Pros Europe because they've got their summer open day. Kyza's just behind me. I don't think you can kind of see him because this car's tiny. Yeah, so I met up with him on the road, just on our way now. Yeah, so see you in a bit. Minty drifting.
See, I'm better than I've ever been. Now I found the heroin and no, I ain't talking a drug. It's in the clouds, so many air miles I'm clogging up. She keeps it 100, so we topping up. You just can't compare it. The wrong person calls out here.
Gonna get our mini expert in.
Can you believe it? See, I appreciate that you came to see me. They don't like it when I make you my TV. They wanna copy me and everything like it's easy.
So we've got JP's 964, Bag Series V3 Liberty Walk LSX turboed R35 GTR. Got James there, just doing a tour. JS 964 on Regal Management and Longman Racing, and just watched the video. Sick. JS 86, Rick's Clio, both been out on track. Make sure you keep an eye on Players World because we've done an episode on those two on track.
And I love you. You ain't gotta say it back.
Did you get a shot? Yes guys, so it's done. We've just been to Wheel Pros Europe open day. Yeah, cool. More than anything, just cool catching up and stuff. Friend Mercedes, sick. So gassed. So gassed. Oh, look at that one on the road. Never see them on the road. Oh, that's just sick. She's sick. That's mad, never seen him on the road. It's the first one I've seen in the UK on the road. That's wild. Sick.